Hey, Danky. Hey, Danky. How is it a fail? How could it be a fail, Danky? How could it possibly be a fail? Explain how it's a fail, Danky. Danky, explain how it's a fail. I don't have any. I don't have any. Okay, let's just get this out on the table. Chad, we have to talk to you. I just need to straighten you out. Last December, Chad. Last December, Chad. Nikki, the one who you call naive Nikki, was divorced in December. Are you following this? Are you following this, Chad? Chad, are you following this? Chad, she was divorced in December, number one. So if you don't know that that's true, then again, stale data, false data, whatever you fucking, it doesn't matter. Chad, you're ineffectual for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, stale data. I mean, it's wrong data. It's fucking wrong data. So number one, she was divorced in December. And then Casper, like the texts from Casper that are, that you say are all like dirty and perverted. I mean, Casper cyber fucked me before you. Didn't cyber fuck anybody? They get frisky. I see every fucking text message. Yeah. So jealous? No, not at all. Because Chad, here's what happened. In February, this is all I care about. In February, I basically, started talking to her like almost every day. Okay. And at that point, she was the one, she was actually trying to, she was doing some things with Mr. Casper, having some conversations with him. But when I came onto the scene, there was no time for Casper anymore. You understand, Chad? Chad, you understand that? Okay, so there was no time for Casper anymore. And then Casper got mad. Okay? Now, Chad, why do you still think that he was an adulterer? Can you think? Because the person who's the adulterer is her fucking horrible ex-husband, who's not only a bad dad, not only is he a bad dad, he's a bad husband. I mean, he's an ex-husband now. He's an ex-husband. It's an ex-husband, but he's a bad guy. So he's the only one that committed adultery. Chad, the ex is the only one that committed adultery. Chad, do you understand? I'm only talking to Chad because this is the only reason we're on here. Let's see. You know what? It's like a broken telephone. Now, how could that be? How could that be? I really wish I could hear what you're hearing. I really wish I could hear what you're hearing. Because something doesn't make sense. No, there's no calling in. Comes in and out. You've heard that before. There is a fucking amazing mic on this laptop, Born Mush. This is an amazing laptop with an amazing mic. I mean, it is an amazing fucking mic. So, I don't know. It's worse when you yell, "Can you hear me now?" Bucky, I'm going to speak really softly. Can you hear me now? 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 All right, let me try what John's saying. See what happens. Want me to do that, John? Want me to do that, John? Can you hear me that way? Can you hear me better this way? Oh, it's Corey! Oh, Corey's here. Wow, there's 40 people. All right, is it different now? Let me see. Do I have to do something different? Do I have to do something different? Is it still shit, John? Johnny. John. 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 Better? I doubt that. Better? Better. Bullshit. Fuck you. It's not better. John, is it better? John, is it better? Better. Better, but not a lot better. Hey, this Fox, guess what? I think you might be a little short man. Or a little short woman. Or ugly. I don't know. One of them. Jeff! Tell me what you want, Jeff. Okay. John, how about now? Is the echo cancellation? Let's see. Hello, 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 hello. John, can you hear me? Let me see. Up to you, but it's your fire time. Well, John, can you hear me? It's 1,000 times better when you have the mic up by your mouth. Are you serious? Like right now, it's better. So right now, you can hear me perfectly. Okay, so Chad, listen, did you get all that shit, Chad? Did you get the whole story about what happened? How our ex-husband is the one who's the adulterer? Did you get that? Piss flaps, it doesn't matter. You can lose weight. You're 120 pounds fatter than this, you fucking bird shit. I mean, really, piss flaps, do you think you're hurting me? Okay, I want to know, piss flaps, you little fucking troll. Do you think you're hurting me? Because you're not hurting me. You really aren't. Piss flaps. I have like 40 pounds to lose, you douche. Piss flaps, you understand? No, Corey, the audio is fine now, okay? The audio's fine. The audio's fine now. Oh, wow, if Len said that. Oh, no. All right, well, my main point for tonight's show, my main point tonight, and I will see if I can put, my main point for tonight was to make sure that everybody knows that Nikki was divorced in December. Her husband, this flaps, no, I'm 6'3". Piss flaps. How tall are you, little boy, little girl? How tall are you, piss flaps? I want to know how tall piss flaps is right now. I want to know how tall piss flaps is. Piss flaps, how tall are you? What height? Give me your fucking height, bitch. Yeah, we have Adrian. That was the deal. That was supposed to happen. But, Adrian, I don't see you. I don't see you. I don't see you. I don't see Adrian. Okay, so all I wanted to say tonight was that Chad is a monster. He's filled with misinformation. He, for some reason, doesn't care that he hurts people. And I don't know what else to say. I think time, there will come a time. There will come a time when there will be justice for Chad. I don't know when that's going to be. Jeff, Jeff, it's not a train wreck. It's just an update. Why don't you just consider it an update? Why don't you just consider it an update? And I want to know how tall Piss Flaps is. Piss Flaps! How tall are you, Piss Flaps? Hey, Piss Flaps! Hey, Piss Flaps! How tall are you? Piss Flaps! How tall are you? I want to hear it. 10 feet. Wow. 10 feet 40? Wow. Well, something tells me you're a very, very small person. Okay, so listen. Audio sucks. That's a big sign. Adrian's not here, unfortunately. John's gonna start a rabbit, so don't worry. John's gonna have a rabbit going right after this, right, John? John, you're gonna have a rabbit going right after this. Not me, but someone will. John said, "Not me, but someone will." So listen, FM, just consider this a quick update. It was an update of just a few things. Had to get off my chest. Had to say, listen, Nikki was not married at any point in time when she was doing her stuff with Casper, and when I was getting to know her in February. Okay, so the only reason that it's not a show is because there's no audio. Can't hear her. Yeah. See, Piss Flaps. You know what Piss Flaps wants? Piss Flaps wants me to like kill myself or something. Piss Flaps, could you hear me? Did you hear what I just said? Piss Flaps, could you hear what I just said? Is that what you want me to do? Piss Flaps? Really? See, I knew it. Piss Flaps, I am so old at this point. I have outlived your life 3 times. I'm like probably 3 times older than you, you little fucking jerk. Dude, when I was your age, you little fucking queer, little tiny piss flaps, when you were my age and I was your age, we were probably the same way. It doesn't hurt me. It doesn't piss flaps. It really doesn't. I mean, if you think it does, it just doesn't. It really doesn't. Okay, see, it doesn't. Because you're like this weird sort of anonymous troll. I'm like thinner than I was like in January when I was at my worst, at my most depressed. I'm thinner than I was then. So I'm working on losing weight like every day. It's a process. Piss Flaps. Okay. Okay, Piss Flaps. You okay, Piss Flaps? Okay. And Corey, no. Corey's got a rabbit or somebody's got a rabbit. Okay, everybody, have a great night. Oh, Piss Flaps, I could have just banned you. Piss Flaps. Piss Flaps, guess what's going to happen to you tomorrow? Piss Flaps, you're going to get in a car accident tomorrow, Piss Flaps. You're going to get in a car accident tomorrow, Piss Flaps. You're getting in a car accident tomorrow, Piss Flaps. Piss Flaps. Watch out, Piss Flaps. Watch out, Piss Flaps.